breaking news right now. Same-sex marriage is on hold again in Indiana. As we first told you just over half an hour ago, the U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals has granted an emergency stay in the Indiana case. That puts this week's ruling by a federal judge on hold and means county clerks can no longer issue same-sex marriage licenses. Let's get right to our newsroom where Chance Walser is standing by live. Chance.
Todd, here it is. It's a short two-page ruling issued in just the past hour, and it's really just one sentence long. It grants the Attorney General's request for a stay to stop same-sex marriages in the Hoosier State. The Attorney General made the request late this afternoon. In the filing, the Attorney General claimed it's premature to require Indiana to abide by Wednesday's court ruling and change its definition of marriage. The filing also said it's time is of the essence for a state to protect the historic status quo of man-woman marriages in Indiana. Prior to going to the Court of Appeals, the Attorney General made a similar request for a stay to the original judge in this case, but that judge has not made a ruling. The Attorney General's office argued the request should not go unaddressed over the weekend. Hundreds of same-sex couples have gotten married around Indiana since the ruling was handed down Wednesday morning. Just in Marion County, the clerk's office has issued more than 500 marriage licenses since Wednesday, most for same-sex couples. It's unclear exactly what this ruling means for those couples. We just talked to the Marion County clerk's office. They tell us their attorney is studying the ruling right now and trying to see how they move forward. They do tell us they will not be open tomorrow to issue licenses. I also just talked with Ken Falk of the ACLU. He tells me they're disappointed with the ruling, but that the fight is far from over. Todd, back to you.
All right, a lot going on. Chance, thank you very much. Now, a stay is not unusual in same-sex marriage cases. They've been issued in several states where bans have been overturned. How long it has taken to issue one has been the difference. Here in Indiana, it's taken 3 days. The state has said it is appealing the decision.